Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have a trunk club to share with you. It's been a little while since I've gotten one. I do not receive them on a monthly basis. I kind of request one whenever I feel like it, and I felt like it. I needed some more winter clothing. I needed some sweaters, and so I decided to request a trunk of all tops. So holiday blouses and sweaters, and that's what's in this box. I have a ton of clothing to share with you and a handbag. Actually, it's more of like a work tote, but still it's a handbag. So let's get right to it. Because I have so much to show you, I'm not gonna unbox it. And you guys seem to like the format of me just jumping right in anyway. So that's what we're gonna do. I'll be right back and we'll start going through the clothing. Okay, I am back with my first item. And this item, I know, we're in a different location too. I figured let's be in front of the Christmas tree. So yep, we're getting into the spirit. So anyway, this first item is I just had it, Treasure and Bond Stitch Stripe Ruana in navy, and it's $79. I forgot to look at the material of this item. Let me see if I can feel for a tag. I do, while I'm saying this, I do like Ruanas. Actually, you know what? I can take it off because it's easy to get on and off. So while I'm here, it's one size, and I don't see a fabric tag. Oh, I do. It's down here. So I do like this pattern, but I kind of feel like it's a little bit oversized, and I know it's only one sized, but I don't know. I just saw the fabric tag. Oh my goodness. Now I'm not going to be able to find it. Here it is. Okay, so this one is 94% acrylic and 6% wool. So I do like the pattern of it. It's very pretty, and they're calling this navy. In person, this does not look navy either. I know it's not coming across navy on screen. And the bottom, it's got some like pinkish mauve woven into it too, and then there's fringe detail on the bottom. I'm gonna put it back on so you can see what it looks like on. Hang on, let me just throw it over. Here we go. Okay. Oh, there we go. So what do you think? I think I like it. I don't like it $79 worth. Why can't I get it back on? There we go. Now I'm ready. Yeah, I don't like it $79 worth, but I definitely do like this style. I kept my gray top on because I originally thought that this was a darker gray, but they're calling it navy. I don't know. All right, let me turn around. I'll show you the back of it. Yeah, see how oversized it is? I know Ruanas are supposed to be oversized, but I just feel like this one has a lot of material. So it's pretty, but I'm not gonna keep it for $79. All right, I'm gonna change into my next top. I'll be right back. Okay, so this next top is by CeCe, and this is the tiered ruffle long sleeve blouse in the color Rich Kelly. So it's a Kelly green. It's an extra large, $79. It is 90% polyester and 2% spandex. So I do like the unique sleeves of it. So as you can see, there's ruffle here going along like the upper kind of like armpit area and all the way up top to the neckline. And then it does have the 3 tiers on the sleeve, and it is an elastic sleeve, but it doesn't bother me because it's not, you know, the ones that are not fitted to my wrist don't bother me. So if they were tight, they'd bother me, but these aren't. I love the color of this top. I don't know, I just don't know if I'm crazy about it. And do you see this? So I put it on and I looked in the mirror. This is a stain. Yeah, I don't know. It's very strange that there's like a big stain. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it coming across the camera, but I can kind of see it looking in the lens. Yeah, there's a stain right in the like smack dab in the middle of the shirt. So I don't know. So I'd have to, I'm gonna email them anyway to let them know that there's a stain there, because I just took everything out of the packaging. I just got this trunk, I think it was yesterday, and I just took it out. So anyway. And then it has the same pattern on the other side. So I do like the color of it. What do you think? I like it. I just don't know if see, there you go. There's the stain. All right, so that's this top. Let me change. I'll be right back with my next top. I don't think I'm gonna keep this one because while I like it, I just don't absolutely love it, and I don't have to have it. So I think this one's gonna go back. All right, let's see if the next one's a winner. Okay, so this next top I really, really like. This top is by Halogen. This is the lace and crepe blouse in an extra large. It is black. It is $69. And what am I missing? The material. 95% cotton. No. Sorry. The lace part here on top, look how beautiful. Let's just point this out. This is so pretty. It's like a lace crochet detail, and it kind of goes down here, if you can see. I think it's so beautiful. This is 100% cotton, and then the actual shell, so the body of the top is 95% polyester and 5% spandex. I really like this top. I know I probably don't need any more black, but this is a really good top for this time of year. You can really dress this up, and you can kind of wear it a little bit more casually, although it is a dressy top. I don't have any earrings in, and I know you can't wear a statement necklace. You don't need a necklace with this top, but some pretty earrings with this top would look so pretty. I like it. So it comes down to about here. I know I have black pants on, so you can't see exactly the length. And then the sleeves, they do have a button here, which you can unbutton them, but I don't see a need to do that. So yeah, I think this is my first keeper from this trunk. What do you think? So I could wear it with jeans, like I said. I could wear it with red jeans this time of year. I could wear it with pretty much any color jean. I could wear it with black pants for a more elegant look. I really like this. I think there's gonna be a lot of versatility with this top. I didn't turn around and show you the back, which there's nothing really special, but it's good to see how it looks all around, right? So yeah, that's this top. So I think this one is a keeper. Okay, I'm gonna change and I will show you the next top. Okay, I can't wait to get this sweater off already. Let me tell you what it is. This is by Madewell. This is the Thornton balloon sleeve sweater in the color Night Vision. It's $58.80, so it's not a bad price. It's 60% wool and 40% polyamide. Did I say that right, or is it polyamide? You can correct me. I mean, I don't know. It's just like a dark color sweater. I love the neckline. This is my perfect neckline. I think that this is the most flattering neckline for me because my shoulders are a little bit broader. So I do like a V neckline or a split V neckline, but I do think this is a good neckline. Anyway, look at the big balloon sleeves. I like balloon sleeves, but I think these are a little bit too big for me. And then as you can see, they're tighter, obviously with the balloon sleeve at the wrists. The length comes to about here. I mean, I think on the right person, this would be really cute. I don't know, I don't know. For some reason, I think that this stuff is really funny. I don't know why. I don't know. All right, let me show you the back. It's really thick, and I think because it's so thick and I'm so uncomfortable, I just can't wait to take it off. All right, I'm gonna go take this one off. I'll put on my next one and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is a little bit unique too. This is by Treasure and Bond. This is the Kite sleeve wrap. It is $39. It's a one size type of top, and it's 100% viscose. So I kind of feel like it's laying kind of funky, and it feels almost like it's twisted. Can you see the arm? And I tried to like untwist it, but it's sewn, so it's really not twisted, but that's how it looks. I know I wouldn't be standing here holding my arms up the whole time, so it wouldn't look like that, but that's kind of how it looks when you open up the, yeah. So I don't know, I do like the color of it. As you can see, it's an olive green, and it does have some white and black striping throughout, so I do like the color, and I like the style. I just don't like the cut, I don't think of it. Here's the back. And like I said, I really like this type of like wrap scarf, like Ruana type of thing. I feel like they're easy to wear, they're stylish. I just don't know if this one's for me, and that's okay. You know, it's good to try new styles because I don't own anything like this kind of pattern. So anyway, I've got more to try on. Let me go do that and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back, and this next sweater is by the brand Leith. This is the Juliette Sleeve sweater in the color green. It is a great price. It is $35.40. That's an awesome price for Trunk Club. Did I tell you it's an extra large? And the material, it's a wide blend of materials, I should say. So I will put it either across the screen or I'll list the material for the sweater below. If you like this style sweater, I'm gonna be sending this one back so you can request it. It's just not flattering for me, and the neckline is driving me crazy. If this were a V neckline and maybe a little bit less of a balloon sleeve, I may consider keeping this top because the color is absolutely beautiful, and this sweater is very soft, it's very comfortable. I'll come closer so you can see like the balloon sleeve the sleeve is kind of, not elastic, but there's a little bit of stretch and it's more fitted, I should say. That's the word I was looking for. It's more fitted through kind of like my lower arms, my wrist area. And then my upper arms, that's where it's more of the balloon sleeve. So I think for me, what I have decided is that sweaters that have balloon sleeves are just not flattering for me because I don't really need any more bulk in this area. I do have a couple of blouses that are thinner that are balloon sleeves, and those are more flattering. So I think if there's less material, it's more flattering for me. So I do love the color of this. Don't get me wrong. I think it's a really pretty color, but just personally for me, the neckline is like, I can't wait to take it off because it's like, I feel like I'm suffocating and it's not tight. I just don't care for the neckline so close to my neck. Here's the back. So yeah, if you are an extra large and you want this sweater, it's a fantastic price. It's going back to Trunk Club, so you can request it. All right, I'm gonna change into my next sweater. Okay, so this sweater is thick and it's too tight. This one is by Parcell. It's the Exaggerated bell sleeve sweater in red. It is $89. I forgot to look at the fabric, so I'll put it across the screen, and it's an extra large, but it's so tight. So the neckline is okay. It's a little bit higher than I'd like. The red color is so beautiful. I really like the red. Look at the Exaggerated bell sleeves. Can we just look at those for a second? I do like a bell sleeve, but this is a bell sleeve. Look at the bells. Wow. Okay, let me turn around. I'll show you the back. You're gonna see every lump and bump. So this one's going back, but yeah, it's pretty color. I love red for this time of year, and I like the style of it. I think the bells are a little too much, but that's all right. All right, I'm gonna change. I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back, and this cardigan, I really like this cardigan. I like the color of this cardigan. This is by Leith. They're calling this the Dolman sleeve cardigan. I guess a little bit. It's in a size extra large in the color green, $69. And of course, as I was telling you all that, I forgot the material. If I can get to it quickly, yep, I can. So this is 50% viscose, 28% polyester, and 22% nylon. I love the color of this top. They're calling this green. I think it's more of a teal color green. And I just love this color. I think it's so pretty. I like the shape of the cardigan. I think it's kind of unique. It's, you know, it's long enough and it doesn't have pockets, but that's okay. I'm not one that needs pockets on every single cardigan that I own. I like them, I prefer them, but I don't need them. I like this cardigan. Let me know what you think about this. So I can really dress this up or down. I could wear this to work. I could wear statement necklaces. So I think this is a clear winner for me. I don't even really have to think about this one. I think I'm gonna purchase this one. So let me know what you think. And I'm gonna change, actually, I don't know if I have any more clothing. So if I don't, oh no, I do have one more sweater. Yep, one more sweater, and I'll show you the bag too. So hang on. Okay, last sweater. This one is by One State. This is the Fringe detail sweater. It is in the color white. It is an extra large. It is $89. So the neckline's okay. It does have fringe detail on each side. It's got it along the sleeves. Can you see that? Let me come close so you can get a good idea. This is a funky sweater, and you may be surprised. I like it. I don't love it, and I'm not gonna keep it, and I will tell you why. So first, I wish it was a little bit longer, and second, I wish that the fringe was just on the sleeves. I feel like if it were just on the sleeves, I'd love it and I'd keep it. I just feel like it might be a little bit overkill on the body of the sweater. I don't know, maybe that's just me because, like, I don't know, it just kind of draws attention, and I feel like if it just were just on the sleeves, it might be a better look. Does that make sense to you guys? Yeah, I do like it though. I think it's such a cool style. It's so unique, and I'm so happy that she sent it to me to try. And I think it does, like the fringe, I was trying to see if it matched up on each side, and it does. So it's kind of funky, and I like the look. So I might look for some more fringe sweaters. I just think it looks a little bit boxy because I have broad shoulders and it's short. So I think if it were a little bit longer, it might have worked out a little bit better for me. But like I said, I'm glad she sent it. and I'm glad that I picked it to get sent to me because now I want some sweaters with fringe. So it's gonna bring some new styles to my closet. All right, here's the back. So yeah, all right, so fun, right? It's so fun to see new styles, even if, you know, I don't end up keeping them. It's still fun to try. And I always say this, but I know I'm going on a little side note, but you go into the store, you bring, you know, however many pieces into the dressing room, which I hate going into the dressing room. You never walk out with as many pieces as you do when you walk in. You know, you're not gonna keep or buy everything that you walk into the dressing room with. So when you get a clothing box, if you could find 1, 2, 3 things to keep, it's a win, right? All right, I'm gonna stop ranting. I'm gonna show you the bag and then we'll do a quick recap. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the bag and then we'll just do the quick recap. So the bag is by Street Level. This is the reversible faux leather tote and wristlet. It is $50. So it's black, but then on the inside, it's like almost like a cognac color. I'll just bring it close so you can see. So I really like it. So you can reverse it, which I'm not gonna do right now. I'd probably mostly use it for, you know, with black on the outside, unless maybe next fall. I like that to show like the more cognac color on the outside. But anyway, the only thing I don't care for is that it doesn't have any organization, no pouches or anything like that. But for it being a work tote, I don't necessarily need that, and I don't look for that in my work totes. And this would be like my work bag for any files or binders or my planner or a laptop that I need to bring home for the night would go in here. So I don't really need organization for that type of thing. I do like that it comes with one of these to give it some structure to the bottom of the bag. And then it does come with a wristlet too. So that's nice. So you can detach that and just kind of use it separately if you want to put your cards in there and do some errands in your phone, your car keys. The only other thing, it doesn't have any, you're yelling the word at me. When you put your bag down, feet, where you yelling the word at me, it doesn't have any feet. So, I mean, that's not a deal breaker either, because most of the time I'll be hanging it or something like that. So, yeah, so here's the bag. What do you think? I might keep it because I have been looking for a work tote, and this kind of fits the bill. It's a good size and things like that. So, yeah. All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab the 2 sweaters that I'm considering keeping, and I'll come back and show you. One's a sweater, one's a blouse, so hang on one second. Okay, so I think that I'm going to keep that bag, that tote, and I also really liked this black lace top by Halogen. I think it's so pretty. It's got that lace crochet detail. It's good for this time of year, but it's really good for all year round, and it's a good work blouse. I did not show you, so I apologize. It does have a keyhole detail in the back as well. So this one I think is staying with me. I just have to double check the price. Let me just do that right now. So that one was $69, so a little pricey, but might be worth it. And then I also think I might keep this sweater or the cardigan by Leith. It's very soft, and I really like the color of this. So I think I'm gonna end up keeping this one. I don't think I have any cardigans. No, I do have a couple cardigans in this color. Do I need another one? The ones that I have are a little bit lighter. So these would be good for like the colder winter days. And it's not too heavy because I don't like them to be too heavy. So it's very hard for me to find one in the thickness of material that I really like. So I think I'm gonna keep this one because I was like gung-ho on it. So yeah, this one stayed with me. And then I think I'm gonna keep the bag too. Did I already say that? So 3 things. Yeah, let me know what you think. Do you like the decisions I made? Am I making the wrong one? All right, so thank you so much for watching, for spending some time with me. We're close to Christmas. We're close to the holidays, so I still have a lot to do. I'm nowhere near done. I gotta go get some stuff done, but make sure you stay tuned because I still have some boxes coming in. Yep, so you're gonna be seeing a lot of me, so stay tuned, and I will see you all in my next video. Until then, have a wonderful day.